In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your Facebook page name. After creating your Facebook page, you want to update the Facebook page name. Maybe you have a change of business name or for any other reasons. It's pretty simple and easy. On your phone, navigate to your Facebook app and tap on it. Proceed to click your profile icon on the top right corner. On this interface, navigate to click on pages. So I have a list of pages here. Make sure to select the one that best apply your situation. In my case, I'm going to pick Mubarick MD on YouTube. Then continue to toggle on this box. Allow it a moment to switch to your page. So this has landed me on my Facebook page. In order for me to change my Facebook page name, all I have to do is to continue to the top right corner where I see my profile icon again and tap on it. Then scroll down till you locate settings and privacy. Proceed to click on settings. So you land on an interface like this where you see your page settings. Make sure to click on page settings. So there you are. Under personal information, you have the option to edit your profile name and username. Continue to tap on name. So you can quickly enter the name that you want to change to by tapping into this box. Then you can make the necessary changes that you want to make to. In this case, I want to maintain Mubarick MD. But please note, if you change your name on Facebook, you won't be able to change it again for 60 days. So make sure the name that you wish to change is a name that you want to live with it for the next 60 days. After that, continue to tap on review change. Congratulations, your Facebook page name has now successfully been changed. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider to check out our next video. See you in the next video.